Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial for the Nova Scotia School Lunch Program. In this video, you will learn how to log into your account, create a diner profile, and place an order in just a few simple steps. Registering and logging in. Before placing a meal order, you will need to register and log into your account. To get started, open a web browser and visit nslunch.ca. To view the site in French, click the Francais button at the top of the homepage. The site offers a wealth of helpful information, and to place an order for one or more students, click Order Now, and then select your region or conseil scolaire. Sign in using your existing MyNS account, or click Create Account to register a MyNS account. I've already created my account, so I can sign in now. When accessing the School Lunch Program website for the first time, you will be asked to read and review the privacy notice. After you have read the notice, you must agree to the policy to proceed, so please check the box and then hit Save. To receive message reminders for ordering from the School Lunch Program, sign up through your user profile. To do so, click on your name in the top right corner of the page and then select Edit Profile. Enter your phone number to receive notifications, such as reminders about the ordering cycle's opening and closing. Next, check the boxes to confirm you accept receiving email and/or text messages. By default, the site displays in English. To switch the default language to French, select French from the drop-down. Review all your information and click Save. You are now logged into the system. Creating a diner profile. Before placing meal orders for a student, you need to add them to your account as a diner. Click the Add Diner button and complete the form by typing the student's first and last name and then selecting their school, grade level, and class to create a diner profile. When finished, click Save. Remember, you must create a separate diner profile for each student you plan to order lunches for. Click Add again to create another diner profile. Fill in the student information in the form and click Save. You can always update diner information at any point by clicking Edit. Ordering a meal. Let's go through the steps to order a meal. Ordering takes place every 2 weeks, covering 10 school days at a time. Ordering will open on Friday mornings and close on Wednesday at noon for meals to be served the following Monday. To begin a meal order, click Order Meals Now. If you need to order for multiple students, you will have the option to do so later. So for now, let's start with Sam's meal order. Scroll through each day to choose one of 2 meal options for that day. By default, the No meal is selected. If a day is grayed out, it means that there is no school on that day. Let's select the creamy pasta with chicken and vegetables. As you can see, the meal is highlighted and its name appears next to the date. If you click this list icon, the blue list image in the corner of the meal picture, you can read the meal description and ingredients. Repeat these steps for selecting meals for all school days in this ordering cycle. To select meals for other diners, click Next Diner. Once you've completed the meal orders for all students, click Checkout. Order Summary and Payment. Before submitting my meal orders, I have a final opportunity to review and confirm the lunch choices for the ordering cycle. If you notice any errors, you can cancel this order and redo it by clicking No. If the order is correct, click Yes. My order looks good, so I'll click Yes now. On the payment screen, you will see a list of the meals you have selected. The default payment amount is highlighted in a light green box, reflecting the total cost of the selected meals. The Nova Scotia School Lunch Program is Pay What You Can. You can choose the amount you want to pay for your meal order, if any. Select from the provided options, or enter the desired amount manually. If you find any errors, click No to cancel the payment and return to the previous screen. If the payment details are correct, click Yes. My payment details look fine, so I'll click Yes now. If you choose not to pay for your meal order, the next screen will show your order summary with a $0 total. Click Complete Order to submit your meal order. After submission, you will receive a confirmation, and you can choose to click Donate Now or Close. If you decide to pay for the meal order, you will be prompted to provide your payment details. Click Make Payment with NSPay to proceed. Enter an email address to receive a receipt, then provide your card information. Once done, click Pay Now. After the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation message with the transaction number and payment amount. This information will also be sent to the email provided earlier. You can then click Donate Now or Close. Reviewing order history. You can view your order history by clicking on the menu button and then selecting Order History. Click on the diner name to view the order for the corresponding cycle. The order history will show the dates for the meal period and the list of meals for each date. If you need more support, you can get in touch with your regional school food program lead. Their contact information can be found by clicking on the menu button, then selecting Help Support. To log out of the system, click on your user profile and select Log Out. Thank you for watching this short video on how to order a meal for the Nova Scotia School Lunch Program.